Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to take your courses and save them into your personal resources. This is a great way to create an archive that will never ever be deleted. Personal resources, this is where you save your Schoology quizzes, files you've created, assignments you've posted, and then you can access it and save it into future courses you might teach or export it, do anything else you need. So why personal resources? Well, there are a few places to save things in Schoology, and personal resources is the safest. If you take your family photos and you put them in the basement, they could be damaged by flooding. But if you put those photos into a lockbox in the bank, which I assume exists for movies, then they'll be safe forever. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our existing courses, and I'll show you how to do the same process for old courses from years past. But before we get started, I'm going to add Marie. Haha! Please be my friend. Okay. Before we can start copying things over, copying our courses from the basement into personal resources, the lockbox, we first have to click Resources and click Personal and set up our lockbox. So here it is, the lockbox. This is it. What are we looking at? Well, you'll notice that I've got some folders here with stuff I've already saved. And this is my home box. And it literally, the icon, is one of those filing boxes for hanging folders. And here it is on the left side. If I click down, this is another box. Here's downloads, another box. And I can create new boxes, which Schoology calls collections. So let me create a new box for each course I teach. I hit this icon with the plus, and I do physics, the course, and then the level. And then I click the Create button or I hit Enter with my keyboard. Take a moment and create a different box for each course you taught last year. Okay, I click the plus, Physics, Honors, I hit Enter on my keyboard. Click the plus, Physics, IB. These are the courses I taught last year, but where are they? Why don't I see those boxes? Oh yeah, I'm looking at the home box. If I look to the left, here I have my CP1 box, my honors collection, my IB collection, as they're called by Schoology. But they're empty. There's nothing inside. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to start saving my courses and moving them over into my personal resources. And these are the destinations. This is where they're going to go, the specific lockboxes that I'm using. Now first, you see how they're at the bottom? That's kind of annoying because if you want to access these boxes, you have to move the boxes that are on top. Got to move them out of the way. It's the same thing in Schoology. If you go to save something, you're going to have to scroll to the bottom and find these boxes at the bottom. So let's reorder and put them on top. You click this down arrow, and then from the drop-down menu, you click Reorder. Then I click on this up-down arrow with my mouse. I click and I hold, I drag to the top, and I release. Click, drag, release. Click, drag, release. And then you hit save. All right. Let me choose a course and save it into my resources. I click Courses and I choose one of my courses. And I'm not going to click any of these gears. I could individually save each one to resources, but instead we'll click Options and save the entire course at once. Which collection, which box do I want? Honors Physics. That's what this course is. There are no folders yet. I'm going to make the entire course its own separate folder, and I hit Submit. This is a large operation. They will send you an email when it's finished. So let's check and see. Courses. I've taken G block and saved it in personal resources. So let's look and see if it's there. I don't see anything. Oh yeah, that's because I'm looking in my home box. Let me put that one away and check out my honors physics box. There's my course. I need to change the name because this doesn't tell me what year or semester I'm looking at. I guess the course number tells me the semester, but I click the gear, then I click Edit. The naming system I like is Course, Level, Semester, Year, and then my name. I'm not going to put G block because I won't create a separate save for D block. It would be a duplicate. I only create one save per course. And I'm finished. If you click on Courses, and you want to find the courses you taught in years past, simply hit See All, click See All, then click Archived. And these are all of the courses you've taught on Schoology since our school adopted it back in 2015. So if I go all the way to the bottom, 2015-16, Semester 1, I can go choose this course. This is Honors Physics, first semester. And I've got all of my course materials from that first semester back in 2015. So if I go back, I can again follow the same procedure. Options, Save to Resources. I choose the collection, Honors Physics. There are no folders that I want to put it in. I hit Submit. And then I go into my Resources, Personal, and whoops, where'd it go? Oh yeah, I'm looking at the home box. I have to go back to the Honors Physics box. And here's that course. I click the gear, I click Edit, and I create the name that I want. Physics, Honors, Semester 1 is this one, 15-16, McGinney, and I save changes. This is how you save your courses and put them into your personal resources, a safe storage place for archival purposes.